Hey everybody, I'm John. I'm the Grateful Biker. I'm back up here at Bell County Motor Works, and today I want to walk you around the 2023 Indian Motorcycle Sport Chief. All right, Jake, get in here. Let's take a look. 2023 Sport Chief in this stealth gray. Check it out. It's the 116 V-twin. Gas charged. Fox shocks in the rear makes this ride really smooth. Love the shotgun exhaust out the back. Mid controls on this motorcycle. Blacked out engine. There's a little brushed in there that makes things nice. This is a air-cooled motorcycle. That triple tree has been redesigned for the Sport Chief. Rakes a little bit forward, gives a little bit more comfortable ride, but also handles incredible. 4-piston double Brembos up front. Jake's gonna get a shot of this fairing too. This fairing is for the Sport Chief. It's a quarter fairing, about a 6.5-inch windscreen on this bike. And as Jake moves around, LEDs all around on this bike. And Jake's gonna jump in and catch a view of this 4-inch display here too. Check out that 4-inch display. I'm gonna turn it on so it kicks on here. You can get turn-by-turn navigation out of that. 3 riding modes on this bike as well. USB, 19-inch front wheel, 16-inch rear wheel. Pirelli Night Dragons wrapped around them. Belt-driven bike. Love that Indian does that. Yeah, pretty cool. So, again, up here at Bell County Motor Works in Temple, Texas, 2023 Stealth Gray Sport Chief.